Hey Owls! In this video, we will cover a few changes to the YesPrep White Oak discipline system. We will then walk you through the steps to creating a hero account. The various behaviors that you see will be tracked by three-of-a-kind systems based on a sliding scale. Once your student receives 3 demerits, you will receive a call and/or email from their teacher. Should the behaviors continue and increase to a total of 6 demerits, you and your student will receive contact from the Dean of Students and/or the grade level chair. Although we hope not to have continued increase in negative behaviors, should your student obtain 9 demerits, you and your student will receive contact from the Director of Student Support, namely Mrs. Adeshina, and the principal, Ms. Green. However, you still have the opportunity to keep those marks up as demerits will reset on a weekly basis. Please press pause if you would like to review any of the information located on this chart. So now that we've pointed out a few things about how demerits will be tracked, let's discuss creating a hero account. This process can be used for parents and students. Students and guardians will each have a unique hero login account. Once you register online, you may download the Hero app to receive push notifications about your student's hero behavior throughout the day. A push notification is something like an alert that will pop up in your phone and email. To register, please follow these steps. Go to https://access.heropowered.com. You may pause the video to write down the website if need be. You will then select the Parent or Student button and click Create an Account. You will then enter your name, your email address, and choose a password. Once you have done so, click Create User. Click Add Student. Enter the student ID number and the appropriate student or guardian activation key code received via email. As a courtesy, we have generated 2 registration key codes for guardians. If you would like to request additional guardian activation key codes for other family members, please contact the front office at 713-924-5200. Once you have registered for Hero online, you may download the Hero app from the iTunes or Google Play stores to keep track of hero behavior history and hero point balances. This will send you push notifications to your cell phone about your students' hero behavior throughout the day. Here are 2 helpful links in regards to Hero. For registration step-by-step instructions, go to http://www.hero-k12.com/resources/hero-qsg-pse-parents.pdf. For other things such as Hero parent and student engagement tools, please go to http://www.herok12.com/parent-student-engagement. You may pause the video here to write down either of the helpful links. If you have any questions or need support, please contact the front office at 713-924-5200.